Jurors have gone home for the night, but this afternoon there were signs they are struggling to reach a verdict. At one point this afternoon, court reconvened and the judge instructed the jurors to keep talking. Yanez is on trial for manslaughter for the shooting death of Philando Castile. Lou Raguse was in court today and joins us live from St. Paul. Lou?
Julie, it was a tense few moments this afternoon as everyone involved in this case packed back into the courtroom, wondering if it was possible the jury would read a verdict. But apparently the jury had indicated to the judge that they have stopped making progress toward a unanimous verdict. So the judge reread to them one of the instructions and asked them to continue to deliberate. He said, quote, "You should discuss this case with one another and deliberate with a view toward reaching agreement if you can do so without violating your individual judgment. You should decide the case for yourself, but only after you've discussed the case with your fellow jurors and have carefully considered your views. You should not hesitate to re-examine your views and change your opinion if you become convinced you are erroneous, but you should not surrender your honest opinion simply because other jurors disagree or merely to reach a verdict." So what does that mean? Well, he was telling them to keep trying, don't give up yet, be open-minded that their current position might not be the right one, but that they shouldn't change positions just to agree with the others. The jury did not indicate which way they're leaning or what the current vote count is at. Attorneys tell me that when a jury is stuck, the judge usually tries at least twice like this to get them to keep on trying. So now we've reached a point where it's worth asking, what happens if the jury ends up as a hung jury? Well, in that case, the judge would declare a mistrial if he feels that the jury will not be able to reach a unanimous verdict. Then it will be up to the county attorney to decide whether or not to retry the case. And a new trial would likely come weeks or months later as both sides get a transcript of this trial to begin working on how they would use different strategies going forward. Of course, that we're not to that point yet. It's not a hung jury yet. They are continuing to deliberate. They're going to be back at it tomorrow morning at 8:30. Julie.
All right. Thank you, Lou.